on a perm rod tutorial here. So here's my hair dry after an old wash and go from a week ago. And today I'm going to be using the Curl Made Temptation Curl Defining Whip, which is going to be available for purchase on my website, along with the co-wash cleanser and the leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to obviously start with the co-wash cleanser to clean my hair from the conditioners that I used throughout the week. I'm going to wash it just twice with it, and then I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner, moisture intense leave-in conditioner. And I like to dry my hair after washing it with a cotton t-shirt instead of a rag, because rags or towels tend to shed and cause breakage when cotton usually just soaks up the water without causing frizzing. So I'm going to separate my hair into sections and apply a dime size amount to each part of my hair. Well, that wasn't a dime size, but that was like a quarter size. But I'm going to focus a lot on the ends and then finger detangle to the roots. I'm going to follow up with twisting my hair, and then I'm going to actually realize that the twisting method isn't going to work, and I'm going to actually two strands twist all of my hair. So you guys are going to see me part my hair and then end up two strand twisting it afterwards. So as you can see, my hair looks actually very moisturized. It's shiny. It doesn't have a lot of frizz in it. Usually after washing, certain co-washes and certain shampoos usually strip my hair, so I actually like that this co-wash is more so focusing on moisturizing your hair and not stripping the natural oils. So I'm going to make sure I get it on my edges, and yeah. So I set my timer for 30 minutes, and I'm going to sit underneath the dryer just for that time, just so the leave-in condition could sink into my hair cuticles and leave my hair moisturized when I'm ready for the perm rods. So when I take it out, I finger detangle the twist, and I just get ready to use my wide tooth comb and comb out my whole entire hair. And then I'm applying the curling whip section by section from the ends to the roots. And taking my curl rods and sleekly pulling my hair to wrap around the curl rod, so it won't cause any frizz. I'm actually using my fingers to run around it multiple times, and I'm rolling it upwards to hold and make that curl formation. Then I'm just going to do the same thing all around my hair. Make sure you guys are following my online beauty supply store Instagram, Natural Overload Shop, and stay tuned for the website because that will be launching very soon, and all these products will be available for purchase on this website. So stay tuned and support. Finished and I'm ready for bed. I'm going to use my silk bonnet and just wrap it around my perm rods, sit underneath the dryer for 30 minutes before I go to bed, just to make sure that the roots are getting a little bit dry so I won't get sick before bed. Then in the morning time, I take off my silk bonnet and I'm just examining my curls, examining the formation of them, trying to make sure it feels dry before I unravel, but then I didn't check it properly. And then I took it out and then I realized that it was still wet. So halfway through I realized that my hair is actually wet, but I'm applying the tea tree oil to the curls when I take it out, just so, you know, it's not dry or anything. And since it is still wet, I ended up going back underneath the dryer for about 30 minutes. Another 30 minutes, like I said, then I took it out, and since I already had applied the tea tree oil around my hair, I'm just touching up the areas I feel dry and rattling back the curls. And then as I take them all out, I sit underneath the dryer again for another 30 minutes with my whole head outside of the perm rods, just to leave my hair in that curl formation and not my regular curl pattern. As you can see, my hair looks kind of wet. You can tell, like, I don't know what was happening, but certain parts of my hair were not dry properly. So this was the result from an undried perm. But then it turns out really beautifully. You guys are gonna see. The front actually held very well. So I'm gonna go sit and dry again. So I'll be right back. Shake and shake and shake, fluff and fluff and fluff. Make sure that everywhere feels moisturized. I'm applying a little bit more tea tree oil to my roots. The ends got enough, and for the rest of this video, I'm just going to be shaking and fluffing to styling to the way of my liking. I'm going to finger detangle, finger coil. I'm going to spread apart the big curls and fluff it out to the way that I like it. I usually like big perm rod sets, but I know that in order for me to achieve that way, I actually have to do it very small. So you can see that my curls are very spirally, and I'm just separating the ones that seem a little bit too big for me. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna really be doing. And this video is super quick and super easy to do. You literally can just do it the night before, and in the morning shake and go, and it's ready for a night style. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is my first of many, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up for more natural hair video tutorials. Don't forget you can purchase these products at naturaloverloadbyk.com, which is my online beauty supply store that will be launching very soon. So follow us on Instagram, Natural Overload Shop, for more updates on the website launch and what products you can get and deals and things like that. what you'll see. So hope you guys subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Ha.